asked the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, Justice John Tsoho, to transfer his trial in the alleged money laundering to Lokoja. Mr. Bello says he prefers to be arraigned in Lokoja, being the place the alleged money laundering offense was committed. Celestina Area reports.
The resumed sitting counsel to Mr. Bello, Adeola Adedipe, son, informed Justice Emeka Witi that a letter requesting for the transfer of the trial has already been delivered to the Chief Judge for his administrative decision. Specifically, Mr. Adedipe said the request for Lokoja was due to the fact that the Federal High Court has territorial jurisdiction to hear the matter in Lokoja. The legal team of former Kogi governor was still awaiting the response of the Chief Judge on the request for transfer of the case to Lokoja. The request for transfer was opposed by the EFCC lead counsel, Kemi Pinero, senior advocate of Nigeria, who described the request as an attempt to frustrate the trial. The EFCC lawyer pleaded with the justice to hold Adeola Adedipe and Abdulwahab Mohammed responsible for their inability to produce their clients in court despite the undertakings they made. The EFCC lawyer also requested that the two sons be cited for contempt of court.
His lawyers that they will ensure his attendance and appearance in court for arraignment. The court has on its record undertakings made by the different two senior advocates promising to produce him in court. It was as a result of that promise that the state stepped down the issue of his arrest. Now, today in court, they have not produced him. He's not in court. We have now invoked the disciplinary powers of the court because a promise, an undertaking to the court, is akin, a breach of a promise or undertaking to the court is akin to a breach of an injunction. We have now asked the court to proceed against the two senior advocates and have them docked for contemptuous conduct. We've invited the court to the different provisions of the rules. As a result of that, one of the senior advocates, in order to avoid it, has asked to withdraw from the case. But we've addressed the court on that, and the court has now directed that ruling will be delivered on the 17th of July, and that the two senior advocates must be physically present in court.
Meanwhile, the court has fixed July 17th for the arraignment of the former governor and ruling on the request of the EFCC to cite the sons for contempt. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.